for a couple of weeks, so it's just nice to get out really. The weather's nice. Lots of crap on the roads, but that's okay. Expect it this time of year. I'm on a Trans Alp. Keep the Africa Twin locked away at home. We get some ACF 50. I think we'll go over it before it comes out. But that's exactly what I bought this Trans Alp for. Really, it's kind of very similar, old and agricultural. It's worth about £1. So if I get it wrong on the winter roads and chuck it up the road, and I'm okay. You know, I'm not going to cry too much because it's not worth a lot of money. But I don't tend to go very fast. It's very just like being out on the bike is enough for me. It's kind of like it's not very scary with its power. It's got plenty of torque and stuff, but especially when I put that new sprocket on, it's a lot taller gearing now, and I think they had about 52 horsepower when they were new, so it's 20 odd years older than that now, so it's probably doing about 45 or something, 40, I don't know. But yeah, it's very non-scary, so it's a perfect bike to be out on really, and this kind of stuff, I think. Nice and cheap. Like I say, enough for me. I don't give a crap about going fast or anything like that in this kind of weather, this time of year. It's enough for me being out on my bike. So I guess that's the other thing that I wanted to speak about today. A bit of an intro to the channel and why the name Mediocre. Mediocre motorcycle rider. I think from my point of view, I think when I started this, I've got the horses, which is the first job I'm doing today, checking on the horses. But I think throughout my life, when it's come to cars, mountain bikes and things like that, and I've always been very competitive. I've always had to compete in whatever I was doing, and I think when I started doing more with the horses, I learned to ride. I can't ride now, unfortunately, because you know, I've got some problems with the ankles and stuff, but that's another problem. But yeah, when I was doing it, I started it very late, and I was very much of the opinion of I am absolutely not going to be competitive at all with what I'm doing here. I'm never going to be good enough. Why do it? Just enjoy it for what it is. And yeah, that's where it came from. So there's me being mediocre, really. I'm happy to be a mediocre male equestrian. And when I quit racing the cars again, and I turned my attention back to bikes, once again, I'm more interested in the touring side of things, and the same thought process was there as I don't need to compete. I just need to be mediocre at it. I don't need to be the best, don't need to be the fastest. So yeah, that's the idea of mediocre. I'm happy to have mediocre bikes. I'm happy to be a mediocre rider, not a great rider. And that's, like I say, that's where the idea came from. It's not necessarily about the bikes, it's just, I think it's a mindset. I think there's a lot of egos in motorcycling. There can be a lot of chicken strips, knee down, all that crap, and a lot of, you know, a lot of ribbing going on, which is fine if that's what you're into. But I'm not into any of that. I just like I say, like being out on a bike, like going out and getting some miles under my belt, touring, seeing the world on two wheels. It's an old cliche. I want a real pure experience, pure analog experience. You know, feeling the wind. It's just a different sensation when you're riding a bike, and that's what I love about it. So yeah, that's where mediocre comes from. It's nothing to do. Some people see it as some sort of derogatory phrase when it comes to bikes, but it's nothing to be butthurt about. It's just, it is what it is. It's a mindset, and I think it's probably a mindset that's going to keep me all right on two wheels, to be honest. So yeah, that's where that comes from. Anyway, I'm off to see a couple of mates up at the Superbike Factory in Donington. Sadly, John can't come today, he's otherwise engaged. Hoping to meet Brian, the peaky biker. I think he's going to try and get up. I'm not sure if he's 100% coming yet, but it'd be nice to see him. Mark Hodgkins from Motor Revs Tour, I met him there, and also Roy as well.
few songs, loving and leaving and get too stoned. Bottle and a pistol by my side, the devil's always along for the ride. We ride down to the creek by the water. I've been baptized by the preacher's daughter. Lucky for me, no, he never caught us, so oh, we ride to the bar by the levee, 85 jacked up square by the Chevy, blanket in the back when it gets hot and heavy. Oh, we ride, pedal to the floorboard, she begging for more, sipping on apple pie, moonshine, and I'll be gone by the morning light. Yeah, 'cause I've been known to write a few songs, loving and leaving and get too stoned. Bottle and a pistol by my side, devil's always along for the ride. We ride across state lines, rubbing 2 nickels, just trying to make a dime. Hard to make a living while the gas is so high. Oh, we ride like a Harley on a 2-lane, Palomino across the plains, drop it down in 4-wheel drive on a Friday night, cracking open a cold Buzz Light. Oh, we ride, pushing through the hard luck, looking for my give-a-fuck needle peg at 95, but that's alright, 'cause I'm running every red light. Yeah, 'cause I've been known to write a few songs, loving and leaving and get too stoned. Bottle and a pistol by my side, devil's always along for the ride. Oh, we ride. Oh, we ride. Yeah, 'cause I've been known to write a few songs, loving and leaving and get too stoned. Bottle and a pistol by my side, devil's always along for the ride. Yeah, I've been known to write a few songs, loving and leaving and get too stoned. Bottle and a pistol by my side, devil's always along for the ride. Oh, for that ride, the devil's always along for that ride.
Hi everyone, I hope you enjoyed the video. Just wanted to mention that this is all a big learning curve for me. I've been given some great hints and tips by guys like the Peaky Biker, putting me on the right path. Got a lot of investing to do in kit and a lot more learning to do. So please bear with me. Audio, etc. will get better. Thank you. Till next time.